Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable auto-refreshing on Messenger with the latest update. Are you ready to ensure that your messages are always up to date without manual intervention? Let's dive into the steps. To begin, grab your Android device and navigate to the Settings menu. Once there, locate and tap on the Apps section to access App Settings. Next, scroll through the list of apps and find Messenger. Tap on Messenger to open its specific settings. Within the Messenger settings, locate the Mobile Data option and select App Data Usage. By tapping on this, you will access various data usage settings for Messenger. Make sure to find and enable the option for Allow Background Data Usage. Enabling the background data usage setting will allow Messenger to automatically refresh messages and updates in the background. This means you'll always have the latest conversations and notifications without needing to manually refresh the app. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled auto-refreshing on Messenger, ensuring you stay connected and informed effortlessly. Enjoy seamless communication with your friends and contacts, knowing that your messages are always up to date. That concludes our tutorial on enabling auto-refreshing on Messenger. We hope this guide has been informative and helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and tutorials. Happy messaging!